everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another bath cocktail, and this one is actually a highly requested one, which is funny because I don't usually get the same request by different people for a bath cocktail. Anyway, this is a candy shop inspired bath cocktail, which I thought was appropriate for this time of year, being it's Valentine's Day season. So this is gonna be a very simple, fun, candy-like Valentine's Day bath adventure. I thoroughly enjoyed this bath. If you like sweet, very bubblegummy, snow fairy-ish scents, hopefully you'll like this bath cocktail. If you're not a fan of the snow fairy scent, you're probably not gonna love this bath cocktail, but hopefully I'll get another bath cocktail out here for this season that will make you a little happier. So basically, I'm just gonna tell you about the two products that I put in today's bath, and then I'm gonna demo them, and then I'm gonna give you my final review of how the whole bath went, and if I would do it again, and how the individual products worked out, and everything like that. So first and foremost is the bubble bar. I love bubble bars. It's my favorite part of every single bath, and today I'm going to be using the 2 front teeth bubble bar that came out as a new product in the 2017 Christmas collection. I love this bubble bar. It has a very familiar scent to like the Candy Mountain. It smells kind of similar to that, which is also a bubble bar. The scent kind of goes with the 2 front teeth because it does kind of smell like bubble gum, which will rot your 2 front teeth out. It's a very classic Lush bubblegummy rockstar like scent, which I really like. I love classic Lush scents because I love Lush. Today I'm only going to be using half of the bubble bar. Even though it is small, I have a feeling that it's going to give a good amount of bubbles. As for the second product in today's bath, I'm going to be using the Snow Fairy Jelly Bath Bomb. Now, the last time I used a jelly bath bomb, it was a complete fail. It was actually recorded. I'll try to put the link to the failed jelly bath bomb upside down Stranger Things bath cocktail and the doobly-doo if you're interested. But basically, I have not had great experiences with the new Lush jelly bombs, but I had high hopes for the Snow Fairy one, and I thought it would go really well with our theme. You can tell it's a jelly bath bomb because all the jelly bath bombs have those circles all around the outside. I don't know what that means. I don't know why they have circles on the outside. I need to do a little bit more research, but that's how you can tell it's a jelly bath bomb. I love how this one looks as well because it has a little star on it, which I think is really adorable. It is vanilla-y and sweet and bubblegummy and delicious and very sickening, but incredible. So yeah, I have very high hopes for this bath bomb. I'm hoping that'll work out. I'm hoping that this bath will give you the texture of candy as well as the smell of candy. Candy is very gooey and weird, and candy is just odd, so I thought that it would go with the theme. So now I'm gonna do the demo portion. I'm just gonna show you how everything is used. After everything has been done, I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on how this bath was and if I liked it and all that jazz. now that we're done with the bath, I'm gonna tell you how I enjoyed it, my thoughts, my honest opinions, would I do it again? and everything like that. So I was so impressed with the bubble bar. It left the water with a beautiful pink color. It gave a really amazing amount of bubbles, especially for it only being half of a tiny bubble bar. The scent was all throughout the bathroom. It smelled really delicious. I would 100% use this bubble bar on its own if I wasn't crazy and had a ton of bath products to use up. No doubt in my mind I'd buy it again. So then I added the bath bomb. It took forever to fizz away, which is like what happens with jelly bath bombs. They take a really long time to dissolve and everything like that. Jelly bath bombs are way more expensive than regular bath bombs, which is understandable because, you know, there's jelly in there. This one was definitely not a fail. It did everything that it was supposed to do. I really enjoyed the colors. I think they were like really sweet with the white and the pink. I just thought they looked really cute and pastel-y and wonderful. It also gave off a really, really nice scent. I kind of think that Lush jelly bath bombs are a fail. They're definitely not my favorite. I just felt like it was a regular bath bomb that took a really long time to fizz away. I did enjoy the jelly, but it just went away really, really fast, which I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I don't know. It's just how I feel. The bath itself wasn't very moisturizing specifically, so that's probably just one tick off. Overall, I'd probably give this bath a 7 out of 10 stars just because it wasn't anything super spectacular. There wasn't like any glitter or confetti or anything crazy like that. I was slightly disappointed in the jelly bath bomb, but the bubble bar was a 10 out of 10, 100%. I thought the products went really well together scent-wise and color-wise. It was just a beautiful pink color at the end. And yeah, all in all, I enjoyed the bath very much. It left the scent on my skin for a while. My brother came home for a little bit last night and he said I smelled really good, so there you go. And I took the bath in the morning and he came at night, so it really did leave the scent on my skin and hair for a while because I dunked my head in too. Anyway, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I post exclusively Lush inspired videos. I will see you guys all very soon, and have a great day.